Hey, it's August 18th, 2020. This is Chris Byers. I'm going to make a short video on how to interoperably link your Google Calendar and your Canvas calendar. Okay, so first of all, the easiest thing to do is to take your Canvas calendar and move it into your Google Calendar. To do that, you open your Canvas, open your calendar, and you'll have your assignments on there. This is where you choose your assignments. I have a few assignments, so I'll click on Chemistry AP and Chemistry, and there's my assignments. To dump this to Google, you're going to go down here and click Calendar Feed. That's going to give you a URL, and you can just drag select and Control C to copy it. Now you got a calendar feed. And then open up your Google Calendar. There's your Google Calendar. And you're going to add other calendars right here. Click the other calendar and choose from, oh shoot, it doesn't show up. Okay, well, anyway, my screen is compressed because I'm capturing this 1080 on a giant monitor. But you're going to find a link that says right below Browse Calendar of Interest. It says from Earl, choose from URL, and Control V to paste it and add your calendar. So it's going to look it up and says, hey, I added a calendar. All right, cool. So when I go back to my calendar, I'm going to have my calendar from Canvas lined up right there. Okay, it's going to add it. Hey, calendar, Canvas, right there. All right, so that's going from Canvas to Google. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that for now. I'll leave it up, so it's kind of nice. So I can click it, I can bring it up, order my Canvas assignments, unclick it, and they're gone. Bring them up, they're there. Bring them up, click it, they're gone. Okay. Now the other kind of fun thing is you can share your Google Calendar as a page in Canvas. And to do that, you're going to go to your settings. So click, this is the calendar I care about. Click here. And I'm going to go to settings and sharing. Now they kind of hid this. They kind of dunked it into really far away. But here's what we care about, where it says integrate calendar embed code. Okay, this is what we care about. It's in the embed code. It's in the settings, and you're just going to select it all. Control C again to copy. Okay, now I got my embed code. You can also use a public URL, but this is gonna, I like this better. So go back to the calendar and let's go to a course. I'm gonna go to my Chemistry AP course and I'm gonna make a page. Click on your page here, make a page. Now we're gonna add a page. I'm gonna call this calendar. I'm going to call this buyer's calendar because it's not yours, it's mine. If you want to see what what your instructor's up to, and then click here. This goes to the HTML editor from the real text editor. Click here, and then Control V, and it'll just dump the calendar right in here. Boom. It's going to be 800 by 600, which is kind of tiny, which is fine. And there's the style. There's the calendar URL. Go back to HTML editor, and boom, there's your calendar. All right. So they can't edit it, so it's great. So then we're going to go ahead and save and publish. Save and publish. There we go. They can click on here and says, oh, all right, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, click here. Nothing happens if they click in the zone to create something. Okay, but they can click on it and say, oh, that's office hours. Okay, yeah, all right, makes sense. And they can also queue to September or October. Now again, I always check anything I do in Canvas, I always check and go down to settings. And I'm sorry you can't see that. It's because my screen is weird and I'm too lazy to fix it. Click student view. And then they can go to that same page, which you can also link to your front page. And there's buyer's calendar. Click on buyer's calendar. And they said, oh, that's what buyer's is up to. Okay, great. Okay, hopefully that's helpful. Bye-bye.